MS Young, founder of ZH Curtain, personally takes the stage. Starting from the source and engaging directly with users, only to bring really easy to use, stable and cost-effective smart products. Bring it to every family. In this live broadcast, we launched 2 core products: 88 ambient light curtain motor trap, and 25 finished curtain solutions for roller blind motors. Lighting and curtains are linked to open the ambient light with one click. Silent and smooth, worry-free installation. Whether it is a new house decoration or an upgrade to an old house, it can be both easily adapted. Live explanation, real-time demonstration, online QA. Every detail stands up to comparison. ZH Curtain smart curtains are not just selling products, but also doing long-term, stable and trustworthy smart living solutions.